Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the EWEADN GS75, a 75% wireless mechanical keyboard that's been making waves for its features and price point. This keyboard aims to deliver a custom experience without breaking the bank. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The EWEADN GS75 sports a compact 75% layout, which is a sweet spot for many. It provides function keys and arrow keys, while maintaining a smaller footprint than a full-size keyboard. The purple colorway is definitely eye-catching, and the overall aesthetic is clean and modern. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its gasket-mounted design. Gasket mount keyboards are known for their softer, more cushioned typing feel, and the GS75 aims to deliver that experience. The keyboard also features hot swappable sockets, allowing you to easily change out the switches without soldering. This is a huge plus for those who like to experiment with different switch types and customize their typing experience. The GS75 comes with PBT keycaps, which are more durable and resistant to shine than ABS keycaps. They have a nice texture and feel good under the fingers. The keyboard also has a volume knob, which is a convenient addition for quick audio adjustments. Connectivity options are plentiful with the GS75. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wire connections. This versatility makes it easy to use with a variety of devices, whether it's a desktop, laptop, or even a tablet. The RGB lighting on the GS75 is vibrant and customizable. There are numerous lighting effects to choose from, and you can adjust the brightness and speed to your liking. The lighting is well implemented and adds a nice touch of flair to the keyboard. Typing experience is subjective, but the GS75 offers a pleasant one. The gasket mount does provide a noticeable amount of cushioning, and the pre-lube switches feel smooth and responsive. The stabilizers are decent, but there's still some room for improvement. Some users may want to clip and lube the stabilizers for an even better typing experience. The EWEADN GS75 is a compelling option for those looking for a feature-rich 75% wireless mechanical keyboard on a budget. Its gasket mount, hot swappable sockets, PBT keycaps, and versatile connectivity options make it a strong contender in its price range. While there's always room for improvement, the GS75 offers a great value for the money and is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new keyboard.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.